Have you ever tried making your own chili oil at home? Hi everyone, I'm Obi and welcome to Alta Eats. But before anything else, if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel so you get notified when we load new content every week. Today, I'm going to show you how simple it is to make your very own chili garlic oil at home. I will be referring to none other than the famous chili garlic oil from the Ching Tea House. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make this chili oil. So let's begin!
We need about 120 grams of wild chili. If you're in the Philippines, it's also called siling labuyo. We need 2 small shallots. We need 1 head of a garlic, a tablespoon of whole black pepper, and a teaspoon of sea salt. First, we need to peel our garlic. There you go. Now remove or slice the bottom of the garlic. The tips are hard, so let's remove these. It's very important to smash your garlic before chopping them, because if you don't, your garlic would burn easily. Now we need to chop our garlic into very fine, tiny pieces. You can also use a mini food chopper. Now for our onions, let's remove the tips and ends. Then we're going to remove the skin of our onions. Now we're going to chop our onions into very fine pieces like the garlic. There you go. Now let's remove the stems from our chili. You can pull these using your hands, or you can cut these using kitchen shears. There. Same with our garlic and onion. Let's mince our chili into tiny pieces. If you have an electric chopper, then go for it. Now we have here our chopped chili. Just be careful when preparing these. Never touch or rub your eyes. Now look at our chili. It's so gorgeous. But my eyes are hurting now. Now let's set everything aside in one plate. We would need about 1.5 cups of regular vegetable oil. We'll heat our oil for about 5 minutes using low heat. Now using a small strainer, we're going to fry our black peppercorns. We're gonna do this for about 5 minutes. We're doing this to get the flavor of the black peppercorns. Now after 5 minutes, we're going to remove our black peppercorns from the oil. Make sure to remove any remaining black peppercorns in your oil. Now we're going to cook our onion first. We're going to cook this for about 1 minute using low to medium heat. Now let's add our garlic. Now we're going to cook both. And make sure that you keep on stirring it until our garlic turns light brown. Make sure not to overcook your garlic. Now we're adding our chili. Make sure that your face is far away from the pot when you drop the chili. Otherwise, you will burn your eyes. Let's add our salt after about 5 minutes. We're gonna cook this for an additional 10 minutes or until our chili turns deep red. Make sure you stir it occasionally. Now our chili is cooked. We're going to remove it from the heat. Look at that nice chili oil. Now let's cool it down for about 2 hours and transfer it to a jar.